So let's talk about this comparison. The Flip 6 and the Charge 5. I do have to say that, like, when you put them side to side, there's a big size difference. For example, the Charge 5 looks a little bit like a exploded speaker, and this one looks a little bit like a streamlined speaker. Of course, the Charge 5 sounds better. Of course, it's bigger, it's a little bit more bass, especially the loudness is also a little bit higher. But I do have to say the difference in loudness isn't as big as you might think. It's just the bass response the Charge 5 wins a bit. It has to do with the size, a little bit more powerful speakers inside. I will definitely take off the fabric cover in the next video to see what's behind it. I do have to say that the design of the Flip 6 is great. Build quality wise, same. And I do prefer it a little bit over the Charge 5. And don't get me wrong, the Charge 5 still looks very great, especially in this Tomorrowland edition. But yeah, the Flip 6 looks a little bit more streamlined. Even a little bit better than the Flip 5 did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one.
Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the